Welcome to another Form Titan video. In this video we'll demonstrate how to hide page based on condition logic when using page break. So you can have multiple pages, but you can also hide pages depending on your conditional criteria. So I'm going to do something very simple here. I'm going to get a drop down and I'll pop this over here, make it a bit wider. And what I'll do is I'll say which Salesforce record would you like to create today? And then I'll just make this a bit wider, like this. And then I'll add some choices here for them. I'll say they can create contact, they can create account, they can create case. But I'm not going to create any records, but I will just show you how this entire process works. It's really, really nice. So when my end user comes here, they get a question saying, which Salesforce record would you like to create today? It could be a contact, account, case. Now I'm going to add a page break in here, okay? And I'll add a page. 1 second. So I'll click add, and then here I can do, let's get a heading, and we'll say create contact here, okay? And then I'll just add some fields here for a second. Like this, and then I'll get like full name, and then I'll get an email. Okay, and then what I'll do is I'll duplicate this page, so we'll create another, and we'll say create case here, and then I'll just add some text boxes like case name, and then we'll call this case number. Again, I'll duplicate it again, so we've got number 4, and then we'll call this one create account here, account name, account number. So as you can see, we've got 4 pages, including the first one. So the first one is where they pick their value, and then based on the value, the options are available. Now I only want one of these pages to appear based on my logic here. So if they select contact, I only want to see contact. If they select account, I only want to see the account page, and the rest to be hidden. If they select case, same thing. I want the case page to appear, the rest of it to be hidden. One thing you want to make sure is you want to go ahead and label your page. So this can be, I'll call it like contact page. This one will be case page, and this one can be account page. Right, time to write a condition. So I'm going to click on this, I'm going to go conditioning, set condition. So I'm going to say if current field equals contact, and then I'm going to uncheck support opposite because we're going to write multiple queries. So if current page equals contact, go ahead and I'm going to type page. I'm going to go and say, if say contact, I'm going to say show this contact page, but hide case and account page. Okay? And then I'll duplicate this, and then I'll say this equals account. Click to configure results. We'll say show me mapped. We'll say show account, and then hide contact and case. And then there's one more condition I want to write, which is, I'll duplicate this again, current field equals case, click to configure results, mapped, and then we want to hide this, we only want to show this. Okay, so very simple, 3 conditions I've written here. So I'll show you how this works now. Okay, if I preview this now, you can see currently there are 4 pages, but if I just select contact, there are only 2 pages now. The value's changed. Okay, you can only see contact. And then if I choose account, same thing. Only account will appear. If I choose case, you can see only case will appear, and the rest of the pages are completely hidden. And this is how simple it is to do all of this. Very, very simple. As you can see, when I first refresh the page, there are 4 pages available. I can go through each one of them here. However, the first question I'm asking, which Salesforce record would you like to create today? If I choose contact, only the contact page will appear, the rest will be hidden. If I choose account, only the account page will be shown, the rest will be hidden. And for the case, it will only show case and rest will be hidden. And I've done that completely by adding a conditional logic onto this field. And you can do the same, and you can hide as many pages as you want based on the conditional logic. This is how it's done.